Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we got something interesting. This is one that came out of a Zen Pop box. You can go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount if you want to get one of these neat subscription boxes. But anyway, this is Peyoung Kyushu Tonkotsu Yakisoba from Japan, and I'm really hoping that this is going to be good. What's interesting about it, the cook time on this, 1 minute. That's it. One, and you're done. So that's what we're gonna do today. So here's our wee tray. You might remember episode 4000, or my 4000th post. I don't know what episode of the show it was, but regardless, I did the Peyoung Pentamax, which means big yakisoba. I think I've got the box on the wall over there. Can you see it from there? Yeah. See the box right there-ish? That big box on the wall? It's huge. It's like the size of a freaking Cheerio box, and it's like had a big tray like this in there and a big lid, and yeah, like 5,000 calories of yakisoba. No, I didn't eat the whole thing. Imagine that? No. But I did all sorts of weird junk with it. I made like little sandwiches. I made burritos. I made like a lot of crap with it. It was fun. Let's get you. Put the solid ingredients in here. Come on. There we go. Oh, you gotta be kidding. No, I'm doing a show, buddy. That was our good friend, Matt. We'll get back to him when the show is over. And here we go. We're adding boiling water to the line. And setting it for 1 minute. So look at this crazy action. That's what my kitchen is like right now. It's humid and it's hot. Actually, if I put it over this, it should go up too. Let's see what it does. 62%. It's probably gonna, yeah, there we go. See, there's steam. 65%. But yeah, it's gross in here, ladies and gentlemen. That's what I've been complaining about the whole time. I needed some documented evidence of how gross it is. One thing too, this one also mentioned that it was crunchy, but I don't know if they translated that right, so who wants crunchy yakisoba? But there is a thing called sara udon, which it's like a crispy noodle, and you put the sauce and stuff on it, it's done. It said 1 minute, and that was 1 minute, so I'm draining it now, right now. But it said 1 minute, but yeah, the sara udon, it's a light crisp noodle, and then you put the sauce and seafood and junk on it, and as the meal progresses, it causes the noodles to become soft. So you get kind of a dual texture, a dual action satisfaction, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So there's our noodle. Now we're gonna add in the sauce. It's got a big sachet of sauce. I'm guessing this is just going to be like a nice tonkotsu yakisoba sauce. Yeah, look at that. I really hope this is a wonderful thing. I've had tonkotsu, what was it, like a yakibuta, Hakata yakibuta, didn't say tonkotsu, but it was basically definitely porky. Porky. One bite, no. This should be good though. It's done. I mean, it took a minute, you saw. What's it say now? It says it's 63 and 77% humidity, or no, 77 degrees, 63% humidity. It's gross. Hopefully this isn't. Cheers. Yeah, that's not gross. That's pretty good. But we need things for it. I'm going to use I'll use this one. I'm being good. So I'll use this one. I like this plate. I remember when I found this and so stoked on it because it's got a deep well. I was like, well, deep well. So there's that. What are we gonna put on it? Oh, you're gonna see. Unfortunately, the spatula is dirty, so I'm going to have to dispatch with the spatula and just slap an egg right there like that. And we've also got, I don't like that. It's like it's got a wart, like a warty egg. Piece of that, and then we've got Kyushu. I can't just slap a huge slice of homemade Kyushu right on top, I don't think. Yeah, let's cover up that wart. You know, if you haven't had or made homemade Kyushu, you owe it to yourself. If you're like really into ramen, I've got a video, the easiest Kyushu recipe ever. The recipe was given to me by a guy who used to work at a ramen restaurant named Pete Treadway. Super cool dude. Thank you. And yeah, it's really easy. Make your house stink pretty. And yeah, worth buying some pork belly if you're keen on swine. And yeah, make some lovely Kyushu with this wonderful, easy method. A little bit of seed. And since it's Yakisoba and it's International Mayo Day, I'm breaking it out. I'm breaking it out for this one. This is a good yakisoba. I'm loath to say how many stars I'll give to something, but this one will get 5. And generally, a lot of people like this Peyoung stuff. Generally, I'm not a big fan. See, I'm breaking out the Kewpie. Ooh. Nothing like a little bit of Japanese mayo. But yeah, I generally am not a big fan of the Peyoung stuff. I think it's more like novel and interesting. But yeah, this one is quite good. Tell me it's got a teeny. Yeah, it's got a little squirty. So we're gonna go like that. And one more thing. Pulling out all the stops on this sucker. I knew this one would be good because as soon as you say Tonkotsu and Yakisoba in the same sentence, it's pretty hard to think that it's not going to be good. Just a little bit of shichimi. Not a lot, just a little. Look at that. Would you eat that? I would. It's so hot in here though. All that sodium. God. That's the problem lately. Too hot. There you go. Alright, that's it for me. I don't know what the next one you're going to see is, but yeah, cool. This stuff's good. This came out of a Zen Pop box. All those subscription boxes I talk about, you should check into them. If you're in somewhere where you can't get to like an Asian grocery store and stuff like that, and you want to also try stuff you can't get in the US, Zen Pop's good, Umai Crate's good, Exotic Nudes is rad, so yeah, this has been, oh, and 5 a.m. Ramen, instantramen.jp, I'm pretty sure that's his website, but yeah, that stuff's super primo. Anyway, this has been Hans the Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles and your day in a hot kitchen. Have a good one, bye-bye.